Khubor like kami kai. Two assistant teachers deficit at Raj Laban LP School, Maran Laban qualification class 12 pass 45%, SCST and 50% for general with DLED and MTET pass LP. And then for candidate with BEd must possess PDPP, kaya ka PDPP kadai ka 6-month bridge course nam tagi badai ki BEd. BEd and MTET LP ki BEd mo kata. With computer knowledge, last date for submission of application is on 5 August. The last date is on 5 August 2022 during school hours. Apply in standard form Secretary MC. Okay, the school is Raj Laban. So Laban lek ka school, Laban hapor balong school, so submit iki baron kam apply in standard form. Sakane ko dan kam iwe ino hikai school primary Haraj Rengi LP school yo reng have deficit mau kendro block ke apply kidai ke pas class 12 45% shaneng but MTET ya ke application penpoi shu bosoi teng harum katarik khadu kan teng ke application kalong ndai tarik Agust arjak par ka written interview kan lo khlai tarik Agust refar hayung school na do kapor khadoi beji mestep ha do kapor shi beji janmit teki nomor phone la dapai hangne te sa phone ikine ki nomor kumno ban penpoi ya ki standard form ba pin submit ki form ba apply ya kaneka post kami kai te tangkine ki jing pentip boleh subun